Hey, what's up? This is Scott with the Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to start a new course on Coffeescript. And if you don't know about Coffeescript, let me give you a brief rundown. So Coffeescript is basically a language that compiles into JavaScript. And what it does is it makes it really easy to write code quickly, to write code cleanly, and you can basically get a lot done with very little. So it's really cool, and one of the things I really like about it is some of the elements from other languages where indentation really matters. There's some more strict rules so that most of your code will look the same. So sometimes you jump into somebody else's JavaScript, and let's say they're not really following sort of the maintainable JavaScript philosophy, and they're not necessarily writing the cleanest code. Well, you might find yourself completely confused. Even though their code's functioning correctly, it could produce bugs if you try to edit it. Coffeescript is really good about everybody's code is going to look really pretty similar. So jumping into it, it's going to be a lot easier to maintain and to go into somebody else's code and have an idea of what's going on. I also just really like how it works. Basically, as you can see here, you're writing less code and it's outputting basic JavaScript. It's outputting JavaScript in general. Okay, so what we're going to do in this first lesson is we're just going to install Coffeescript. So if you scroll down here, under installation this is coffeescript.org, by the way. So if you look down here under installation, you can see that Coffeescript is available as a node.js utility. The core compiler does not depend on Node, but can run on any JavaScript environment or in the browser. See, try Coffeescript above. But to install Coffeescript on your computer, you first have to install node.js and then npm, which is Node Package Manager. So I would go to coffeescript.org, click these two links, and first we're going to install node.js. Just download it really quick, select the Mac installer, and when this is done, I'll open up this package. Okay, and just follow these prompts and agree. Okay, install. Okay, so this is going to install Node. Back in 1 second once this is done. Okay, so that finished, and we also need to install npm. However, if you'll notice here, if you install node.js, it says npm comes with it. So we already have it. Awesome, cool, that's all we need. Okay, so now we need to install Coffeescript. So let's go to our terminal, and we're gonna just do sudo npm install, and then we're gonna do -g, which is going to install it globally. If you don't want to install it globally, then by all means, you don't have to have that -g, and then Coffeescript. Okay, now just enter password. Okay. It's going to go through, get everything, and now you can check to see if Coffeescript's been installed. If you actually come down here, you can see what some of the coffee commands are. But if we just do coffee, let's just type coffee here. You can see that it actually exists. If we didn't have Coffeescript installed, right now if you typed in coffee, it would say coffee command not found. So it's going to Control-C out of that. Cool. So now you have Coffeescript installed, and we're going to be ready to get started. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to compile your coffee code into JavaScript. And as always, if you're new to Level Up Tuts, just a heads up, these tutorials are free, they're all free, so if you have any questions or comments, let us know. If we're doing something totally wrong, let us know. We just like to do these in our spare time, and we want to just keep bringing free tutorials to anybody that wants to listen to them. So, as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Bye.